Are you still sitting there scrolling through TikTok looking for the perfect side hustle? Well, I found it and let me tell you about it. The company's name is Live Good. And why did I join that company? Let me tell you why. First off, you only pay a $49.95 to join their affiliate plan. From there, you pay $10 a month monthly subscription. This enables you to earn money. People are making serious money. Some even quitting their day jobs. I've seen people buying cars. I've seen people buying houses. I've seen people in South Africa getting more than R1 million from this company. But those are the people that invest time and effort into the company. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. No, it is not. Although, even if you do not refer anyone, you just pay your monthly membership for 2 to 5 years. In 2 to 5 years' time, you will be receiving $2,047 a month for doing nothing. But for those of you who are like me, that wants to make serious money, there are bonuses. There are fast start bonus, ranking bonus, even match pay. But if you would like more information, please leave a comment, info, and I'll get you all the details. This is moving fast, guys. So please, if you want to join, leave a comment, join. If you want info, please leave info, and I will get the information to you as soon as possible.